everyone! As part of our journey in Esci 116, Mathematical Methods in Engineering, we are tasked to solve the problem at my back, which is the 2x minus 3y equals 7, negative 3x plus y equals negative 7. To practice one, we will be using two methods, which are the Cramer's rule and 2 by 2 elimination. So let's see and compare each other if they have the same result. Are you ready? So fasten your seatbelt.
So we're the ones who are going to solve for the Cramer's rule, a system of linear equation with two variables.
So this is the equation 2x minus 3y is equal to 7 and negative 3x plus y is equal to negative 7. So the a sub 1 is 2, the a sub 2 is negative 3, the b sub 1 is negative 3, and the b sub 2 is 1, and c sub 1 is 7, and the c sub 2 is equal to negative 7. In order to calculate x and y, we will use the formula of x is equal to dx over d and y is equal to dy over d, wherein d is the determinant. So let's calculate first the d. Using matrix form, d is equal to a1, b1, a2, b2, multiply a1, b2, minus a2, and b1. D is equal to 2, negative 3, negative 3, 1, 2 times 1, minus negative 3, times negative 3. The determinant is negative 7. Next, we will find the value of dx using matrix form. Dx is equal to c1, b1, c2, b2, multiply c1 to b2 minus c2 to b1. Dx is equal to 7, negative 3, negative 7, and 1, multiply 7 times 1 minus negative 7 times negative 3, the dx is negative 40. Next, we will find dy same as what we did in dx by using matrix form again. Dy is equal to a1, c1, a2, c2, multiply a1 to c2 minus a2 to c1. Dy is equal to 2, 7, negative 3, negative 7, 2 times negative 7 minus negative 3 times 7, the dy is equal to 7.
Since we've got the results of d, dx, and dy, we will now use this value to come up with the final result of this equation. So first, we'll use the formula of x is equal to dx over d and y is equal to dy over d. So simply substitute the value of dx, which is negative 14, and d, negative 7. So the value of x is 2. So let's now proceed in getting the value of y. So simply substitute again the value of dy, which is 7, and d, negative 7. So the value of y is negative 1. So the final answer of the equation is 2 and negative 1.
Now, we will use another method in solving this given equation, which is the 2 by 2 elimination. So 2x minus 3y equals to 7, and negative 3x plus y equals to negative 7. So we will multiply the second equation by 3. So we will bring down 2x minus 3y equals to 7. So 3 times negative 3x equals to negative 9x and 3 times y is equals to positive 3y, and 3 times negative 7 is equals to negative 21. So as you can see, negative 3y and 3y can be eliminated. 2x plus negative 9x is equals to negative 7x, and 7 plus negative 21 is equals to negative 14. So we will just divide the negative 14 by negative 7, which is 7 is equals to negative 2. So x is equals to 2. So now we have the value of x by substituting. It's up to you which equation you will be substituting the value of x. But here, we're going to substitute this value of x in this both equation. So we have the first equation, 2x minus 3y is equals to 7. So we will substitute the value of x into 2. So 2 times 2 is equals to 4, negative 3y is equals to 7. So we will transpose the 4 to your right. So negative 3y is equals to 7 minus 4. So negative 3y equals to 7 minus 4. So 7 minus 4 is equals to 3. So then we will divide the 3 into negative 3. So y is equals to negative 1. So we will substitute the value of x to the second equation, which is the negative 9x plus 3y equals to negative 21. So negative 9x, we will substitute the value of x into 2, plus 3y equals to negative 21. So negative 9 times 2 is equals to negative 18, plus 3y equals to negative 21. We will substitute the negative 18 to your right, so we came up 3y equals to negative 21 plus 18. So negative 21 plus 18 is equals to 3. So we will divide the negative 3 into 3. So y is equals to negative 1. So we came up the answer is x is 2 and y is negative 1.
So we've got the same results in both methods, the Cramer's rule and 2x2 elimination. Well, it depends on your comfortability in which method you will be using. As long as it's easier for you to solve and the result is correct, then go for it. So that's all guys, thank you and God bless us all.
Multiply the second equation by 3.